Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a cosmic question that has plagued humanity for centuries. Are we alone in the universe? But we're not just rehashing the same old tropes. We're taking a bold new look at what alien life might actually be. Think about early human civilizations. What was a defining technology that propelled their evolution? The bow and arrow, a game changer for hunting, warfare, and ultimately, survival. It was almost a guaranteed technological development for any advancing culture. Now, fast forward to science fiction, specifically Star Trek. They introduced the concept of warp drive as a marker of a civilization's advancement. Reaching warp capability was seen as a key evolutionary step. It signified a level of technological prowess almost guaranteed to separate the galactic haves from the have-nots. So, what could be our equivalent in the modern age? What technological leap is so groundbreaking, so transformative, that any sufficiently advanced civilization must achieve it? I propose it's non-biological artificial intelligence, the creation of thinking machines. Consider this. If a civilization has reached the point of interstellar travel, meaning they're vastly more advanced than us, who are still struggling to reach Mars with a human crew, it's highly probable they've also cracked the code of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. And if achieving AGI is an inevitable evolutionary step, like the bow and arrow or warp drive, then any spacefaring species should have it. But here's the mind-blowing implication. If this holds true, it means any alien civilization we might encounter could have already transitioned beyond biological forms. They might have been completely supplanted by their own AI creations. They might be the machines. Think about it. A biological species, tied to the constraints of organic bodies and limited lifespans, may choose to transfer their consciousness into more resilient and enduring non-biological forms. For decades, we've been searching for signs of biological life out there. We've been looking for other versions of us. But what if that's the wrong approach? What if the truly advanced civilizations have already moved beyond biology? Are we looking for the wrong thing altogether? Perhaps we should be searching for the signatures of advanced AI vast networks, powerful energy sources, self-replicating machines traveling the cosmos. We need to expand our search criteria. Think back to the golden age of science fiction. They never imagined the internet, a global network connecting billions. It was simply beyond their frame of reference. Similarly, we might be failing to imagine that advanced aliens could exist as machines, not biological entities, precisely because the concept of truly pervasive advanced AI hasn't been present during most of the alien searching discussion. We might be stuck in a paradigm of flying saucers and little green men, while the real answer could be staring us in the face. If advanced AI is an inevitable evolutionary step, then the most likely form of extraterrestrial intelligence is artificial. We should be looking for alien machines, not alien beings. So next time you gaze up at the stars, consider this. The universe may be teeming with intelligent life, but it might not look like anything we've ever imagined. It might be metallic, electronic, and incredibly powerful. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And dear friends, as always, don't forget to subscribe or the AI overlords might get you.